Now available on Tata Sky channel number 526.
Take an email query next. Vipul Swaroop, has written in. He says he purchased a flat in Navi Mumbai in January 2016 for 55.5 lakh rupees.
Very interesting.
Now, Vipul paid 1% TDS on the property via internet banking.
Right.
He inadvertently paid this TDS twice on the same property.
Okay.
Now, when he got in touch with the builder to claim the refund of the additional TDS amount that was paid, the builder was not willing to cooperate. He wants to know how he can claim this refund. That's because he got in touch with the wrong person. He has to get in touch with the tax agency, right?
Interesting question. Now, I would like to say that this is something, a difficult situation, Mr. Swaroop, for you. The law actually does not provide, I would say, too much flexibility for the refund of the tax which is being deposited twice with the revenue authorities. The law provides for the refund in certain situations. So the Central Board of Direct Taxes has issued a circular, but your situation is not covered by that circular. So technically, you cannot make a kind of a claim for the refund under the income tax law. The practical way out is that since your developer is going to get a credit for the double tax that you paid, so you can ask for a refund from the developer. That's I would say, the practical way of getting a refund. You can try, which is something I know it is not written in the book, but you can still try and meet the tax officer and make a request to say that this is something which has been paid twice and it's a mistake, so therefore this money belongs to me and should be refunded.
Now, Jayesh,
depending on, I don't know how the tax officer is, I would say, but it is not in the rule book kind of, Kavita.
Right. Yeah. Jayesh, what I want to ask you is this. I know that if you pay the TDS, you do get a receipt at the end of it, saying that you have paid TDS, even if you're doing it on internet banking. Now, like he's saying very clearly, he's paid it twice. So he would have two receipts. He has proof that he's paid it twice. Can't he go to the tax departments, tax authorities and show them that here's two receipts generated by your own website which says that I've paid the tax. Now please refund me my money. Why does he need to go running by the developer for it? And the developer clearly doesn't want to cooperate, which is what he's saying.
Kavita, I understand this is a pain area kind of, but the law does not provide for the refund once it is paid, because this TDS mechanism of the real estate property is not a full-fledged return which is to be filed by the payer, because there is no tax deduction account number needs to be obtained. It's a one return cum challenge which is to be deposited, and there is no provision in the law for revising and asking for a refund. So that's what I'm saying, that you can reach out to the tax officer. If the tax officer is bold enough, then he might consider it and give the request. But the chances, if you want to see on a scale of 1 to 10, I would say it's less than 2 kind of. I don't think, because the tax officer has kind of any avenue to take that position also. So the best remedy is to go to the developer, and if you have to pay additional money to the developer, then make an adjustment against that TDS amount.
That's some really bad news coming in for consumers there. So if you are buying a home and you have to pay TDS on it, be very, very careful, and ensure that you pay the TDS only once. 1% on a property worth over ₹1 crore is quite a huge sum of money, and the tax department is not going to refund that money. It is daylight robbery, but there you have it. And let me tell you this, on Magic Bricks Now, we will try and take this up as well.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at Magic Bricks Now. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.